This chapter will explain to you the overall environment construction of the laser SIM tracker. Chapter R. Sensor connection. First of all, our overall environment is divided into the following parts. 1. Connector. 2. SIM tracker. 3. Control box. Connectors secure the sensor. Sensor is used to capture the image. Control box for power supply and data transmission. First, connect the cable of the SIM tracking sensor to the sensor. The other end of the cable is connected to the 10-core aviation plug interface of the control box. Align and insert the red dot. This is the 220 power supply line interface. The middle's network ports are switch modules for data interaction. A connection to the robot control cabinet, a connection to a computer for viewing images. Connecting to the robot side can be used to view the communication status of the robot. Just plug the robot end into the Ethernet interface of the control cabinet. The other end can be inserted into the control box. That's all for this chapter.